How to use stop loss in Questrade 2025 only way. Most people get this wrong, but setting a stop loss in Questrade is simpler than it seems. You won't believe how it can protect your trades and minimize losses when done correctly. Start by logging into your Questrade account and navigating to the trading platform. Select the stock or option you want to trade. Next, choose the order type as stop or stop limit. A stop order automatically sells your position when the stock hits a certain price, while a stop limit order adds a minimum price for execution, giving more control. Then, enter your stop price. This should be a level that limits potential loss, but avoids triggering too early due to normal market fluctuations. A common strategy is to 5% below your purchase price for long positions. Review your order carefully and confirm. Once set, Questrade will automatically monitor the price and execute the trade if the stop level is reached. In conclusion, using stop loss in Questrade in 2025 is all about selecting the right order type, setting an appropriate stop price and monitoring your positions. This simple tool helps protect your investments and gives peace of mind in volatile markets.